In this video, I will show you how to add unique ID numbers in Notion. So the first thing you need to do is go to Notion AI, and then after that, type this, create me a template to add unique ID numbers in Notion, which is ticket system, and then after that, the AI will generate a template for you. So this is the example template that the AI generated to me. Then click on this to go to your page of ticket system, which is here, and then I have these databases, which is, it includes ticket title, assigned to, due date, priority, status, and number ticket ID. So the ticket ID is automatic. So let's start that information, which is example, assigned to me. For example, it's assigned to me. And then the due date is, for example, 27. The priority is high. The status is new. So it automatically has a ticket ID. Click on plus sign and then click on numbers and then rename it. So for example, ID number. So here in the property of ID number, we will add your unique ID number here. So type your unique ID number here. So this is just an example, and that's it. That's how you create template. And then you can just add a new page here to add more information, and you will see the number ticket ID will automatically. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.